Under the soft glow of morning light, the water ripples gently as a wild swan glides closer, its feathers catching the sun like liquid pearl. Nearby, seagulls dip and twirl in the breeze, their calls blending with the rhythm of lapping waves. There's magic in this quiet exchange, a reminder that nature's wonders thrive when met with reverence. I sit motionless, heart full, as curiosity draws them near. The swan's elegant neck curves like a question mark, while gulls land playfully at the water's edge, scavenging nothing more than shared curiosity.